Okay, what is different between Marketcipher and Cryptovac? Hope you guys are tuning in. This one should be interesting. Okay, so, oh, right here we are on the 4 hour, and we're looking at Marketcipher B and Cryptovac B. And what is different between this? So if we look at, oh, I forgot. I need to put the arrow. So if we're looking at dots here, actually the cross would work better. We're looking for similarities on that. So on the top I have Cryptovac, and on the bottom I have Marketcipher B. So B and Cryptovac. And right away we notice that we have a lot of dots here and not very many here. On Cryptovac, we have a green dot, and then we had a sell signal, which is great, and then we had a buy signal and a sell signal. So we had a sooner sell signal confirmed with a trigger wave on the 4 hour. That's interesting. We go back, and Marketcipher here has a green dot for a buy on his trigger wave, and mine had a sooner one. Had a sell signal and had a buy signal earlier. Pointing down again. Had the same type of buy signal on this. That's good. We had a sell signal on Cryptovac earlier, 1 bar. We had a buy signal earlier, 1 bar. We had a sell signal 1, 2, 3 bars ahead of Marketcipher. Incredible. We have the same here. We have a green dot. There is no green dot or diamonds on Cryptovac. We had a lot of dots here. Some information that Marketcipher does not have. Here we have a whole bunch. But very smooth compared to a very sharp. Let's look at the money flow. Money flow is a little different as well. Money flow on this one is going to the red before it goes to the green. I do like that. Tells you if we're selling. See what the price was doing. Turn these guys off. So indicating that we're still in an uptrend. This we're indicating we're selling. So I don't know what to make of that too much. But I do like the fact that it goes in the red, and this did not. See what's going on Hike and a She. Ah, we're going in the red on Hike and a She. Interesting. We're starting to be in the green a lot sooner. Right at support. We'll see if that's actually support later on. We had a green dot on Hike and a She 1 bar sooner. And we had a sell signal 2 bars sooner with a confirm trigger wave to go down. Very tight waves compared to the Marketcipher. The RSI turn, I don't know what that is. Is that bullish or bearish? We have green here. Not too sure how to make of this, but it's definitely different. Definitely different. This seems more clear because I guess I know what I'm looking at. Interesting. Let's look at the VWAP. VWAP is looking like it's exactly the same. Have that fold right there and the folds right there. It looks exactly the same. Interesting. Green. Green's a little, the money flow is a little different than Marketcipher. It seems to be ahead or just more pronounced. Yeah, it seems it's a bit more pronounced. But it does look very similar. This is on Hike and a She, so it's much more flat. If we looked at candlesticks, again, this is a little different because these are volumed. This has volume as well. So it's a little different. Okay. Oh, a lot of information here of what's going on. Yes. So we have a green dot and we have a green diamond. Now this green diamond happened after. So mine is lagging on that one. We have a confirmation of a anchor wave right here. This wave is actually bigger than that wave. Huh. As we were seeing a good, nice divergence, this was not picking up that divergence. Interesting. Look at that, eh? Higher low, lower high, and it kept diverging up as this was price action going down, and this was not doing that. It was continuing down. So to have a to see a reversal would have been actually quite difficult to picture with this if this green dot wasn't there. I like the fact that for the first time we're seeing that the green dot front run Cryptovac. Yet there was nothing here as well. Okay. So I guess that's it for B. There wasn't very much else. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's go to show the arrow. Yes, yes, the arrow. I had the line to see where we're what we were doing here to see if we were lining up. Now we have arrow. Please confirm that you could see that. So let's turn on Marketcipher A. Marketcipher A. Wow, there's a lot of information. Let's take all the drawings off. There's a lot of information. We have ribbons. We have diamonds, X's, dots. Looking at the legend. Let's look at the legend. What does the legend say? So blue triangle, trend reversal indicator. Okay, so this would be a trend reversal. A green dot is a bullish indicator. So we have a bullish indicator to go up more. Yellow and red diamond, strength indicators. Interesting, strength indicators. We have a strength. Let's pull that up. What is this? Is the strength indicator of Cryptovac. So if we're seeing a yellow and red diamond, our trend strength indicators, yellow indicates bullish and continuation, and red trend is weakening. You don't see it? Well, I don't know how to make it better. I'm sorry, Dave. If you can't see my arrow, that's really bumming me out. Damn, that's hard to see. Okay, I'm looking at another screen here. Well, what can we do here? Appearance, I think, right? Crosshair, white. Is this better? Would this be better? Oh. Like the arrow is hard to see. I'm really sorry, eh? I'm very new to this still, so please, you know, as the progress goes on, we'll get better. Anyways, this is what I got right now. I hope this is gonna be a little neater. So so we're looking at yellow and red diamonds for strength. So right here we have a green. So we have a strength right here, and then we have, so we're able to see some similarities. Are we able to see similarities? Not really. It's actually quite noisy, if I had to be honest here. So we have green, green, and then so we're seeing a lot of strength in the market. So that's cool. Uh, yeah, I'll get better internet, I guess. 720p on YouTube. I'll 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 do that next time. So yeah, we see the strength going on. Um, it's a lot to handle on, and it's not very clear if it's red or green. For somebody that's colorblind, uh, you'd really have to look closely. I have to really lean into the screen to see what was going on here, if we're bullish or bearish, or if the strength is there. Uh, there's we were starting to see some strength down here, but we were already starting to see strength weakening right there. Okay, that's interesting. So blood diamond is a bearish indicator indicating, so a blood diamond. What is a blood diamond? Do we see any blood diamonds? Let's go maybe on the 15-minute. This is it, I guess. It's bigger. Okay, so I don't have anything like that. A blood diamond. Huh. Okay. So let's go back to the 4 hour. This there's a ribbon. A ribbon tells you. I mean, you could get that anywhere. Everybody should know what a ribbon is. It's a bunch of EMAs put together. Yellow X. What is a yellow X? I see some yellow X's here. Yellow X is a bearish indicator and high volume long conversion to a rapidly bought, sold short. This market condition presents a possible opportunity for whale traders to exchange conditions, manipulating. Oh, interesting. Here's a strength right there. Strength here, little tiny, boom. That would have been a nice one. I hate the blood diamond. Uh, I don't know. The blood diamond looks pretty interesting. Probably really interesting in a bear trend. You'll probably see that. Uh, you probably could see that it more in in a bearish. Like this is bearish right here. See, so we're seeing a blood diamond that would play out. So if you're seeing a blood diamond on an uptrend with the ribbon, I imagine that would be a bad time to short a like right here. I don't know. We're still bullish, so I'd probably be not into that. Just looking back, just it'd be a hard one here for. And the red X is bearish indicator. This indicator used together with the EMA ribbons, red diamond. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay. So interesting. Interesting. So let's put the Cryptovac A to see what that is compared to it. So this is Cryptovac A on the bottom, and it's nothing like this. I thought it would be kind of similar, but it's definitely not. So that's its own thing. Do I like it? Yeah, I guess it's pretty. Um, for the strength, I think that's what it shines the most. That it shows you if the strength of the market is there, and I think this uh, makes it sure that that's what that is. It gives you in a wave format, which personally I like better because I'm looking at waves anyways. Might as well incorporate the waves with it. This is a little hard. It's like tic-tac-toe. Okay, so we have support resistance. I think there's a support resistance as well on SR. So what do we got here? Uh, can you check those indicators options to check what more they offer? Oh yeah, sure. Like on the A. That's a great idea. That so you have show high pivot, high. Okay, okay. EMA ribbons. Show ribbon number 9. What's ribbon number 9? What is ribbon number 9? Ribbon number 9. It was separated, so kind of want to see what that is. It's just the EMA. Okay. Style. Nothing really. So what is this? Okay, it just changes your things. Version 2.2. What's this? The pivots. Oh, it just changes your pivot. Okay. Okay, not much more. Okay. Uh, SR. SR will give you support resistance. Okay, let's zoom out. Support resistance. Take the loss and go along. Made up loss. I don't know what that means. Um, so right here we got support. I mean resistance, resistance, resistance. Interesting. So let's go with the Cryptovac. See what happens right there. And on the 4 hour, it is definitely not giving me any sort of sign of resistance or support right here. The only thing it's giving me is these diamonds. And why is that not settings? Set settings. There we go. Uh, so the white and green diamond. Okay, but there's no support resistance here. Okay, so Marketcipher, you have that. That's a lot of support resistance. Pretty cool. I'm trying to be as like unbiased as possible here. I'm just really comparing both of them and seeing what they do and what's better from one of the other. Uh, just to see, right? This is an experiment. So we got support resistance with Cryptovac. Gives you a pretty some strong support here. In my opinion, pretty clean. As well, pretty clean. I'd probably take this pivot off. If I took pivots off, I'd probably like that better. What's this? Cipher resistance? Center range. Oh, I don't really like center range. See, just trying to clean it up a bit. Cipher support. Okay. Cipher resistance. Okay. The VWAP. Oh. Oh, you have VWAP in the chart itself. We definitely don't want to have the ribbons with that because or else you wouldn't be able to see what's going on. Cool. All right, let's just get cipher resistance, cipher support for now, and let's compare. A. All right, so what do we have? So we have these guys, pretty good. How would I use this? I'd probably use that as my box. I would use probably that as a box. Yeah, it's far apart, but I dig. Trying to use it as the same as Cryptovac, as I would use it. So that's interesting. Let's put SR out and we got right here, one right there. This would be that would have been my box right here. So we're gonna put right there. We're gonna change that color. We're gonna go blue. White. There we go. Did he have one right here? He did have one right there. Oh, nope, he did not. He did not, but he did have this. That's pretty awesome. Hmm. Cool. All right. And then there's the ATR, which Marketcipher doesn't have, so I can't really I can't review on that. So, anyways, that's the difference. What have we learned? We've learned that there is a little difference. It's actually quite a big difference. They're similar. They could be traded the same way, but they're definitely different. Uh, definitely. So, forever, anybody that says this is not the real Marketcipher, this is the real Marketcipher. And this is the real Cryptovac. And interesting, you don't see much angle up as this one. Cryptovac's waves are much more pronounced to see where the direction is going compared to Marketcipher. Definitely. I mean, you can't unsee that. Right here was pretty good. Right there was pretty good. But from underneath, I'm sure right here, they all seem like the same waves. Anyways, that's that. Oh, let's look at some more dots. I'm curious about the dots. Dot here, dot there, no dot here. A lot of dots. What happened to price with those dots? Because an oscillator is only an oscillator if you don't have price to go with it. So you have to have some sort of reference. Okay, so what happened? What happened with these dots? There's a double dot right there. So I guess it tells you the bottoms. Huh. Tells you the bottoms here. That's a nice one right there. That's beautiful. No, it's missing dots on the top. I find that like I'd like to see where my anchor wave from the top is. And if this is an anchor wave here, then that would be your trigger wave. That'd be a strong anchor. So that'd be your trigger right there. And here, you want to know that there's something going on there, right? Like if this is a strong anchor wave or not. And there's half the puzzle here that's missing. Bottoms here, bottoms there. That was a good bottom right there. Good bottom right there. Using the strength to really tune into that. Boom. Interesting. Dots here, a lot of dots there. Are they the same? One dot here, one dot there, one dot there. Anyways, that's that. Very interesting. You guys be the judge. Uh, you guys be the judge. This one, I don't know how much it is. This one right here, Cryptovac, is $615 for life. There will only be 400 of these sold. And so that way this indicator keeps its strength, which it seems to be awesome at because Marketcipher is pumping Cryptovac's bag. It seems like every green dot almost. Yeah, crazy. Yeah, according to the green dots alone, just according to the green dots, I think that Marketcipher is lagging on that. It is lagging, and there's not. I wish there was more information on Marketcipher to have what's going on here. I like to see that it's just different. It's a different indicator. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, that's that.